All right, the primer's on, and now the first round of color goes on. And the color again is for the jams. Jams are things that, like a door jam, are just things you don't necessarily see. This will be covered up by the apron. It's the front nose. The apron will go right there, and the front fenders sit right here. So he's doing the underneath part right now of the wheel well. So when you look underneath where the wheels are, it'll be nicely painted, fresh paint. And next he'll do the hood as well over there. So each day he's going to be painting color. This will be the white, and then you'll see some red come along as well. So
I'll text her after. Whatever it is, go after the regular pharmacy, have it on the shelf.